Let's see. Best OBS settings for clips. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. Alright, the first step would be to go to Settings, then click on Output, and we'll set it to Advanced Mode. Now we'll go to Recording. Click on Type, and we select Standard. Now click on Browse, and here we'll choose the folder where the clips will be saved. Then in Video Encoder, we'll set it to H.265 HEVC. In recording format, we'll set it to MP4, and Rescale output, we'll leave it disabled. In rate control, we'll set it to CQP. And CQ level, I recommend setting it to 17. In preset, we'll set it to Quality. And Apply. Now, we'll go to Audio, and we'll set everything to 320 bitrate. Now click on Video, and here we'll set the highest resolution our monitor currently has. And in FPS, I recommend setting it to 60. And Apply. Lastly, we'll go to Hotkeys, and here we'll search for Recording. And we'll assign a key combination to start and stop recordings quickly. And Apply, and that's it. That was everything.